Have you noticed how competitive it's getting to win new customers online? Today, when someone goes to Google and looks for a plumber, an attorney, or an HVAC company, they can now click one button and instantly request up to 4 competitive quotes at the same time. That means if your business isn't the fastest to respond, you're probably not even in the running. I'm Ryan Sinelson, founder of Accelerate Marketing, and as a Google LSA partner agency, we've seen firsthand how the businesses that respond in 30 seconds or less double their lead flow compared to those that don't. In this video, I'll show you why conversational AI has gone from being a nice to have to a necessity if you want to compete in today's lead environment. Here's what I'm going to cover: the changes happening in Google local service ads that are raising the stakes. Number 2, how AI is now being used by both consumers and Google itself to gather and compare quotes. Number 3, why businesses that don't adopt conversational AI are going to fall behind and what you can do about it. Let's start with the reality. When a homeowner needs a service today, they don't just call one provider. With one click, Google allows them to message multiple businesses at the same time. That means your lead isn't just your lead anymore. It's shared instantly with 3 other competitors. We've had clients tell us, "I thought that lead ghosted me," only to find out that the customer simply booked with the company that replied first. The lesson is that in this environment, speed isn't optional, it's survival. So how do you respond instantly without hiring 24/7 staff? The rise of AI and lead generation. Here's what most business owners don't realize. Google itself is already experimenting with AI to make outbound phone calls to local businesses, gather information like pricing or availability, and then deliver that back to the consumer. In other words, your next prospect may not even be a person. It might be Google's AI calling you to fact check and compare your services against competitors. If your intake process isn't ready to handle both inbound AI messages and outbound AI calls, you're going to look unresponsive even if you're not. So the real question becomes, how do you keep up with AI-driven consumers? Why conversational AI is now a necessity? The answer is simple. An AI agent can respond to messages within 30 seconds, answer calls 24/7, transfer warm leads directly to your team, handle multiple inquiries at once without ever putting a customer on hold.
Hi, this is Lily, an automated assistant from law firm. How can I help you today?
Hi, I would like to talk to an attorney, please.
Before we proceed, are you calling about a DUI case?
Yeah,
Thank you for confirming. May I have your name, please?
my name is Jason.
Thank you, Jason. Could you please provide the best phone number for the attorney to reach you?
Yeah, that'd be 561-247-85.
Thank you, Jason. Just to confirm, is your phone number 561-247-85? Is that correct?
Yeah,
One of our clients in the home service space started using an AI agent, and within 30 days, they went from losing half their message leads to booking jobs off more than 80% of them. The businesses that implement AI now are ones that will thrive as lead volume grows and competition intensifies. By the way, if you want to know exactly how AI can help your business respond faster and close more LSA leads, then go ahead and text us at 619-304-5155, and we'll answer every question that you have. And if you want me and my team to take a look at your Google local service ads or Google business profile pages and show you exactly where you're losing leads, just text the word audit to the same number, 619-304-5155, for a free audit of your LSA or Google business profile. You can also go to accelerateyourmarketing.com. Here's the bottom line. The marketplace is shifting. Consumers can now compare you to 4 competitors instantly. Google itself is testing AI to make calls and collect data on your business, and the number of leads flowing through AI systems is only going to increase. If you don't have a conversational AI in place to answer every call and every message within 30 seconds, you're not just leaving money on the table, you're handing it to your competitors. So let me ask you, are you going to wait until AI takes your leads away, or are you going to leverage it now to get ahead?